Oh, he's got like scars or something, like freckles. All right, there he is. Maybe a 1 pounder at most. Nice little yeet.